What's going on, everybody? What's going on, guys? Real quick video for us. I'm getting a lot of questions. I get a ton of questions about what is this thing that I have right here. This is the Sorbo Cobra flipper with the ledger attached. You can get these over at Window Cleaner Resources, WCR.com. This thing is awesome, man, especially if you need to get into a deep window behind a ledge. It'll definitely let you close out the window at the bottom without a problem. And I also get a lot of questions about how I don't get a line because I do straight pulls, or some of you call it janitor strokes, whatever. That's just how I do it, man. The check's clear, so what does it matter? So I'm going to show you how I keep those lines from happening. So let's get on the window. Obviously, we're going to start. We're going to get our window nice and sudsy. Flip it over. In the corner, I tuck it up against the top real nice. Do a straight pull. I give the window a little tap, but at the top, I don't put the squeegee right here on the edge. I overlap it about an inch and a half. Yes, you lose some length on your squeegee, but when I pull, I tilt it a little bit and come down with it. And then I gradually straighten it out to the bottom. So if you can see, there isn't a line going all the way up. Yeah, there's some excess suds at the top, but I detail the window frames anyway. So there's no sense for me to run it up there twice. That's just how I do it. I hope that helps you guys out. Again, go to WCR.com. Sorbo Cobra flipper with the ledger, and it's just my main go-to. So I hope that helps. Appreciate you watching.